Hey, good morning everyone, it's Lyle Sashay here. How's everyone this morning? It's Wednesday morning, February 13th, the day before Valentine's Day. We're coming for a quick shave this morning. It's nice warming update. It's only minus 20 now. Beats the hell out of minus 30 weather, right? So, try to do this real quick for you guys. Gonna use Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, Crown King Formula Sundown. One of my favorite cologne scents. Love this. Based on Gillette Sundown. Blended very well. It's hard for me to pick up individual scent notes. I do get the powdery, like talc out of it. But other than that, it's got some nice complex notes. I'll post them in here for you guys. Got it smushed into my Thirsty Badger shave bowl. Be using my AP Shaco 24mm SynBad in the faux marble handle. Ended off with a matching splash today. It's the old formula with alum in it, and I'm going to use the Christopher Bradley Razor with a fresh Persona Lab Blue. I'm not going to do a whole bunch of talk in this video, I don't think. We're just going to get this going for you guys, probably forward through some of this, see how fast we can do it. Maybe we can get a really short video today. I know CK6 is very popular right now with everyone, or lots of people anyways. The old Crown King formula is awesome as it is. Always get great performance, excellent scent strengths. You know, these are always at bare minimum medium. Doug soaps are, but Doug & Franz soaps, but most of the times I find these to be I'd have a 10, I'd say it's between a 6 and a 7 usually. Some of them go higher. I did find Doppelganger was a bit weaker, but that's okay. Look at this. It just comes up real quick. Time to wet the face. So, everyone's having a good day. Everyone getting ready for Valentine's Day. Tomorrow's a big day. Kids are really looking forward to it. They were all doing their Valentine's cards last night. I can continue to work this, but I'm going to leave it. I think that's good. Lots of soap on this brush. Always gonna get the soap in the hair, right? So, speaking of hair, definitely need a haircut right now. Just 1 second, guys. Sorry about that, I was back. Just noticed an issue with my camera there I had to fix. So I'll get this shave going. As you can see, nice thick lather. Pretty glossy there, it's shine. Maybe could have hydrated it a bit more. Yeah, definitely can use the hair more hydration. But it's still performing lovely. All right, first pass is down. Pretty nice. Get a little more moisture on the face there, just to add some back into the soap. There's ample of this here. So you guys haven't smelled this soap. This has to be one of my favorites from PAA, Crown King, or Douglas Smythe and Fran. It's just a very old school, manly, vintage manly kind of scent. Reminds me, oh geez, it's not selecting there, we're good. I would put this in the lines of like Aquavella. I was lucky enough to get a sample from a new old stock. I used it in one of these videos. Vintage Aquavella. There's similarities for sure. So if you like those kind of scents, Aquavella, powdery, cologne kind of scents, more complex though. This would be right up your alley. And the base is just awesome. I don't see many guys talking about this base in videos anymore, but I mean, everything's always CK6 now when it comes to PAA, but this base is still awesome. Works amazing. And I'll be honest, for me, all Doug and Friends bases have been awesome that I've used. So we have a plethora of scents, so you can always find something you like. I know that annoys some guys that say, just focus on certain scents and blah, blah. I love his options. Gives you lots of variety. Love the scent, guys. It just smells amazing on my face. You know, in the tub, lathered on your face. Oops. My bad, not the soaps. They're down a little bit there. Awesome, awesome vintage cologne scent. And yes, I know. I say stuff like that in all my videos, like, oh, this is so awesome. I love this soap. I love this scent. But what you guys gotta understand, most of the stuff I'm using, most of it, I'd say 95% plus, comes out of my den. So if I have it, I probably like it, right? I'm not going to keep it around if I don't, so. I'd love to get some new stuff in to try for you guys, but need the funds first. Definitely some new soaps on the market have got a lot of hype, but have also grabbed my interest. And lots of that hype looks very much earned from people I've talked to. Dab off the brush. So I'll probably be one of the last tubers using those on a video, but hopefully I can get them out for you guys eventually. I actually thought of selling a few of my soaps, even possibly my Nuvia Blue to fund some new stuff for the channel, but we'll see. So, 3 passes done. Let's see. Now it feels good. Let's see what I have left in this brush. Quite a bit here. A couple small touch-ups. That's where I nicked myself bearing down. That was my fault. Way too much pressure. Going too fast. Gonna leave that, we're gonna call it. I'm pretty happy with that. Gonna clean everything up here. And I'll be right back for the post. All right, back. Quick warm water rinse, quick cold water rinse. Looks pretty good. Not under the alum block today, this is alum a minute. Should clean that all up. So again, Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, Match and Splash, Sundown. This is the alcohol with alum in it. Here's the scent notes actually right here real quick. Lavender, actually it's not all in here. Sorry guys, I'll post them up here for you. I thought there's menthol in here. No sting, like hardly any at all, guys. Just the typical alcohol sting. A little bit of alum sting that's in there. It always gets me, but very nice shave overall. Fairly quick for you guys, I hope. So quick review. Soap today, Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, Crown King Formula, Sundown. Thumbs up all the way. Scent, performance. Love it. That's all I'm going to say. Brush, AP Shave Co 24mm SynBad, and the faux marble handle. Wicked knot. Mine, I love it. Wouldn't be here if it wasn't. Thirsty Badger Travel Shave Bowl. Haven't replaced my ceramic yet. Still got some lathe in there. If you can see, there's quite a bit of that sample left in there still too. I'll be using it tomorrow. Karve Christopher Bradley C-plate, 3.5 inch handle, fresh Persona lab blue blade. Blade, sorry. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you have a great day. Hope you have a great rest of your work week. Have an excellent Valentine's Day tomorrow. Hope you and your loved ones have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. Happy shaving, everyone.